Hello guys, so welcome back to the Exosio Market Technical Analysis on week 38. So we are on the mid of September. So today is Monday 14th of September. So I'm Shah Mohammed, Market Analyst for Exosio Markets. So basically guys, so we have the exciting week, especially we have the high impact news on this week. We have two. One is the FOMC monetary policy meetings, and of course the statements. And we also have the Federal Reserve fund rate, the interest rate for the Federal Reserve. So of course it's on the Thursday, right? And I think Wednesday and Thursday in 2 p.m. in the Malaysia time, right? And of course after that we have the GBP, the UK rate, right? And of course the monetary policy. And right, so besides that we have the markets updates on the vaccines. Of course we have the AstraZeneca renewal of its coronavirus vaccine test is contributing to a better market mood and favorable for stocks and waiting on the dollar. And Japan will have a new prime minister, and the UK Parliament will debate the controversial internal market bill today. So for the upbeat mood of the markets, so because of the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca will restart their COVID-19 immunization phase 3 trial in UK. So Pfizer, a large pharma firm, said that coronavirus vaccine would be given to Americans before year end. And of course the S&P futures are on the rise while the dollar is losing ground against most currencies, and gold has been trading a range around 1950. And of course we have the weekly technical analysis for this week. And so let's head to the weekly analysis for this week. Then of course we are looking at the US dollar index market chart. So we have the 4-hourly chart for this week. So of course basically on our Monday Monday analysis will be on the weekly charts, and we will post our analysis on our websites, Telegram, and of course our Facebook social medias. All right, so technically Friday candle closed below resistance level, and pricing is still pointing towards the downtrend channel, and we are still looking at the choppy trading, which is still trade below 94. And of course price also made a reversal on the 2.618 Fibo resistance key level on the downtrend channel. Then of course the trend is strong bearish, and the current consolidations are looking for directions. So before that, let's move. Let me show you our chart. Alright, so we have the 4 hours chart. Alright, so 4 hours chart, technically we are looking at the candle close below the resistance key level, and pricing is still pointing towards downtrend channel, and it's still a range trading, which is still trade below 94, and price also made a reversal on 2.618 Fibo resistance key level on the downtrend channel. So trend is currently strong bearish and current consolidating on for a direction. For anyhow on the longer time frame, we are expecting price to move to lower, alright, towards the median key level support on our weekly charting. So let's head to our weekly charting, and let's see what we have for you guys. Alright, so clearly on our weekly charting, price has made several attempts to break above the resistance major key level, but we are expecting price to move further towards lower, towards the Q3, end of the Q3, and towards the Q4, right? So of course the US election is coming up, and price is on the new channel, on the downtrend channel. So anyhow, we are still looking the price to move towards the median line support and the 3.618 resistance pivot retracement level, right? So this is for the weekly, and significant. We have the US dollar down, and we have the euro up, pound up, US Aussie dollar up, and of course significant between the US dollar index is to correlates between the major pairs. So let's head to the spot gold. So for the spot gold, yeah, we are looking at the choppy on the range trading, especially on the 4-hourly charts. So we are looking of course the price is looking for directions, and downside seems very limited after a reversal last week, hit lower line key level support, and the bull trend fight backs and move towards the median lines. So price steady around 1950, and technically we are expecting trend to complete its cycle towards the upper line key resistance level this week. So let's show you the weekly on the spot gold. Especially it's very interesting. The price is both the upper line support, right? So we have the strong support on this area, right? So we have this area of quite a strong support. So yep, we are looking at the price to move towards the new level, right? Toward this level, right? And of course it's on the uptrend channel, and clearly it's moving towards, and of course we have the bull candles on the weekly, and of course a significant drops. It needs to break the upper line support key level, right? So basically we are looking at uptrend channel, and we have our 4-hourly on the range trading. Of course actually we already posted this analysis on earlier on this evening, and the price is currently moving towards 1959 at the current price. So yep, it will move towards the upper line major key resistance level on the upper line. So yep, so this is the spot gold, especially with the US dollar weaknesses. So we are targeting the price to move towards upper line, right? So let's head to the next analysis on the major pairs. So on the major pairs, we have the euro US dollar. So price made reversal and several attempts on the strong key level support low line, and currently steady around median line, trading around 1085. So holding up its gains. So this week markets are optimistic about the coronavirus vaccine and shrugging off rising European cases. So investor awaits the figures and the FOMC Federal Rate Fund additions on Thursday. So we are targeting to price to hit towards the upper line key resistance level, and a bullish trend is still intact, although the price is on a range and consolidations, looking for fresh directions. So let's replay. Yep, price is on the way towards the above median lines, right? And of course if you have the significant analysis for the weekly for the euro US dollar. So on the weekly chart, yes, price clearly is on the bullish trend, and we are looking at the price to move towards the median line resistance key level, right? So it's still the best price to buy to go on long on the euro US dollar, right? So it will hit towards to test the previous resistance level, right? So yeah, we are looking at the price on the new trend on the uptrend channel, especially on the weekly. So this is for the euro US dollar. So let's hit towards the pound US dollar. So on the pound US dollar, we have the technical our technical view. The price is entering into a trade into the channel, trading above 1.28, and after consolidation and made reversal on the key Fibo support 1.618. So this is the key level support, all right, on the Fibo, and price is currently entering on the new channel. And of course we will let's replay, and price is heading towards the median line resistance. So of course on our daily mapping, so let's look at the daily mapping. Yep. So on the daily mapping, we have the price above the upper line support, major key level support. So it might retest on this level, right? It might several retests on this channel, and of course a break above the 1.618 resistance might bring price towards 2% Fibo channel the 2% retracement level, right? So this is the pound US dollar. So we have the critical vote in parliament, right? So alright, so we have the pound US dollar, and we have the next analysis will be Aussie US dollar. So Aussie price stuck in range below 0.73, and looking retesting below key level resistance. A break above could bring this pair towards the median lines. All right, so we are pointing towards the uptrend channel and median resistance, and of course it will move back towards the previous high on 0.74. So clearly Aussie dollar pair lack any firm directional bias and remain confined in a narrow trading band. Price would drop further lower with current trend which showing trade out of the box setup if the price unable to push above uptrend channel. And of course with the current situation on the US dollar remains strong, right? So yep, we are looking at the price moving towards the uptrend channel, okay, towards inside the channel actually. So okay, so let's head for the next analysis will be the US dollar Japan, right? US dollar yen. So US dollar yen remain on the defensive amid a weaker tone surrounding the greenback near 106 mark. So doubts about the US fiscal stimulus measure keep the US dollar bulls on defensive. The risk on mood undermine the safe haven Japan and help limited the downsides. So technically price is currently hovering below median resistance key level, looking to further drop towards the lower line key level support. So we will play, all right. So clearly the price had hit the lower line major support level. So the analysis for US dollar Japan this week already hit its targets, and of course let's hit towards the US dollar Japan on our chart. So let's see. Yep, this is the current situations, and of course on the higher time frame on the weekly we'll have a more clearly right, I think lack of the indicators. So oops. Okay, we are back on the RSI stochastic indicators. All right, so guys, yep, let's head towards the weekly, and we have clear signs of the price moving towards lower. right? So we are looking at the previous the next support will be at around this level, and of course a significant drops might bring price to retest the previous low. All right, so this is the weekly charting on the US dollar yen. All right guys, so so the next analysis will be US dollar Canadian. So price is currently above the channel and consolidating. We are looking at the out of the box setups, and high probability the price still on the bullish trend, and amidst of the current situation with the US oil dropping further lower. And of course, technically the market structure is bullish formations, and we are targeting price to move towards the Fibo resistance 2.618 for another retest at this area. So yep, anyhow price is still hovering around above the upper line channel. So significant pricing. Let's have a look at the weekly. Of course, on the weekly the price is still hovering on the channel, right, on the 3.82, above 3.82 towards the 2.618, right? So this is for the US dollar Canadian. And of course we have the next analysis will be US oil. So US oil price is on consolidation. Trend is looking to drop further lower to retest the key level support on Fibo 3.82. So with our weekly mapping, price is trading below median resistance, indicates strong bearish in control. So with the current global situations, the sentiments with the Iran coronavirus on the Europe is rising, and this OPEC. And this week OPEC meeting could drive black gold drop for the lowest as a seller in control. So yep, let's have a look on the weekly chart for the crude oil. So yep, crude oil price is on the median line resistance. So currently it will be resistance level, right? So price would retest on the median level. So on the median level we might see several attempts to retest before dropping further lower. Then of course on the weekly it's clearly on the median zone. So sorry, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. And of course 4 hours we are looking at the price to retest both again on the lower line resistance on this level. But anyhow, if it fail to break above, then the price might bring towards lower, right, towards the 3.82 support level. All right guys, so the next analysis will be the Bitcoins. So Bitcoins bull strike backs, and the price steady moving above 10,000 per Bitcoin, and with the price confirmed it's towards inside the channel nearing median key resistance level. So targeting new level of break above median resistance could bring price to it hit towards 11,000 upper line key resistance level. And of course we will play the analysis, and of course the price is currently at 10,636 per Bitcoin. So let's have a look at our weekly chart, right? So this is the 4-hourly chart. So the price is making a move towards the median, right, break above the resistance, right, towards a new channel. And of course we have the very interesting analysis on the weekly. So on our weekly mapping, price is clearly made a reversal, a bounce on the support, major key level support, and of course still hovering, still trying to push for the upper towards the median on the weekly chart. All right, so anyhow we are still looking at the price to move towards the 11,000, right, by end of this week. And of course a break above 12,000 could bring price to 13,000 and 15,000, and towards the end of Q3 to Q4, right? So we have the last analysis on the S&P 500. So S&P 500 extend its corrective setbacks, and we see a bounce on key level support at 3.82 Fibo major cycle, targeting price to move back towards uptrend channel. And of course, technically on the weekly mapping, price holds steady above major key level support and expecting this week price correction before a change of trends towards bulls. So let's replay. Yep, of course, we have a bull on the US Open, right? So let's head over to the weekly chart on the S&P 500 on the equity markets. So yep, clearly a reversal on a bounce, alright, on the last week close above the upper line resistance or the upper line key major support level. And of course this week, yep, bull candle, and clearly the price is heading towards the 1.618 resistance level at the price around 3,500 or 3,550, right? So this is the S&P 500, and of course we have the Tesla, Apple picking up, and of course yep, it's all on the green. So guys, so I think so basically we already covered the weekly and market analysis for this week. So we are on the week 38, and of course for the weekly we will every Monday we will analysis. We will do our analysis on our technical analysis on the 4-hourly charts for these for swing trades, especially on Monday. You normally for the swing trades on the 4-hourly, right? This is a bit of tips on how you guys are going to follow our analysis. Of course, 4 hours is for swing trades, especially you enter position on Monday and you could see the market to move towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So of course, from point A to point B, it will take around 3 to 4 days, especially on the 4-hourly charts. And of course, on the intraday, we will post on the hourly charts 1 hour for the intraday on for our analysis. And of course, on the intraday is for the day trading, especially for 6 to 8 hours, especially from point A to point B on our intraday market analysis. So if you have any question, just please head over to our website and our live chat, and yep, you can look for me. And of course, I have my Facebook and social media, so you can direct to Shah Muhammad, market analyst for Exozo Markets. And of course, our analysis is post daily and weekly, and of course we have our live market analysis. All right, so guys, so if you have any questions, so you can just direct to us, and we will try to help. And of course, this is educational purpose and it's not a trading advice. And of course, trading margin is a high risk and you could lose all your deposits. So I think please be alert on the high impact news on Thursday, especially on the FOMC and the UK federal UK rates, all right, interest rate. So I think besides that, you should aware on the US for retail sales on Wednesday, and on Tuesday we have the ZEW economic sentiments, and on the Thursday we have also the, I think let me see, sorry, on the Thursday we also have the BOJ policy rate. So we have 3 policy rate for this week: the FOMC, US, okay, yen, Japan, the pound, the UK. All right, so the OPEC meeting for the crude oil. So I think, guys, that's all for tonight. So I hope to see you on the next session. So Thank you so much for watching, and please share to all the traders out there. And I think that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. So let's come and join us, learn from the experts. Right, guys? Bye.